Use low-noise equipment and clear communication to minimize disruption during cleaning in occupied buildings. Start by planning cleaning schedules around peak usage times and aim to perform the noisiest tasks when foot traffic is lowest, such as early morning or late evening when allowed. Choose vacuum cleaners rated for low decibel output and use backpack or canister units with sound dampening housings and rubber wheels to reduce rattles on hard floors. Bring soft cleaning pads, microfiber cloths, and non-scratching brushes so you can avoid loud scraping or aggressive agitation on surfaces. For floors, use a damp mop rather than a high-speed buffer when people are nearby. Train staff to use two-handed techniques that minimize dropping and clattering of tools and to replace hard plastic containers with padded alternatives or cloth bags for carrying supplies. Communicate clearly with occupants by posting schedules, sending brief notices, and offering a contact person so people can request minor timing adjustments. When possible, coordinate with building management to reserve short windows for concentrated tasks. For sensitive areas like meeting rooms or medical spaces, plan for staged cleaning where you clean one zone at a time so work can continue elsewhere without interruption. Common mistakes include running high-speed machines during business hours, which produces unnecessary noise and startles occupants, so swap to lower speed modes or schedule those machines for empty periods. Another issue is inadequate communication, so people are surprised by cleaning activity. Fix this by using consistent signage, email alerts, and a single point of contact for last-minute changes. A third frequent problem is poor equipment maintenance, causing louder operation and decreased efficiency. Prevent that by instituting regular service checks, replacing worn brushes and bearings, and keeping filters and belts in good condition. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and discuss best practices for projects like quiet cleaning strategies. Our community discussion area lets us share experiences and tips, and it helps contractors find work by participating and answering homeowner questions.